In the enchanting world of Pixie Hollow, Tinker Bell had always been known as the fairy with the most creativity. Her tinkering skills were unmatched, and her imagination knew no bounds. One sparkling morning, as she fluttered above the blooming meadows, an idea struck her like a bolt of lightning. Why not create a magical garden that everyone can enjoy? Tink mused, her eyes shimmering with excitement. With a sprinkle of her fairy dust, she began to gather the tiniest of materials, colorful petals from the forget-me-not flowers, shimmering pebbles from the stream, and the softest moss from the forest floor. "These will be perfect," she exclaimed. As she worked, the garden began to take shape, blossoming into a spectacle of vibrant colors and sparkles. Each petal, pebble, and tuft of moss arranged meticulously to craft a scene where fairy tales seemed to come to life. News of Tinker Bell's creation spread fast through Pixie Hollow, and soon enough, she was surrounded by tiny fairies eager to learn the secrets of her craft. "We want to make our own sparkly gardens too," they chimed in unison. Tinker Bell, ever the enthusiastic teacher, gathered the fairies around and explained, "It's simple. You just need a pinch of imagination and a sprinkle of patience. Use what you find in nature, petals, stones, even twigs, and then add your own sprinkle of fairy dust." Back in the human world, children learned about Tinker Bell's magical garden through whispers of the wind and tales of the fairies. Inspired, they decided to create their own sparkly gardens. With bits of paper, glitter, and glue, the children crafted beautiful tiny worlds in their backyards. Tinker Bell's garden was not just a spot of enchantment in Pixie Hollow. It became a bridge of creativity between two worlds. And as these gardens sprouted everywhere, they carried with them the legacy of a tiny fairy with a grand vision, forever teaching the magic of imagination and creativity.